We are here to talk about hope and fashion, our role in the changing world. I'm Daniela Platt, and I live and breathe all of this. So let's get into our climate. We get to make the choices. We're going to talk today about four things. We're going to define what is the Anthropocene. We're going to talk about how to build a sustainable future. We're going to explore innovation and what is our responsibility. What do we need to carry forward? Well, let's start off with the Anthropocene. In a very simple language, the Earth has changed, and we did it. It is because fossil fuels, we've been burning them, we've used coal and oil, and ultimately, this overconsumption has taken beyond the Earth's ability to regenerate. Pretty much, we've used more of the planet than we can replace. Is this our wake up call? Well, here's some critical facts. Greenhouse gas emissions are expected to rise by almost 50%. But the good news is clean energy like solar and wind can help us slow down this harm, and that makes a big difference. So, let's get into now data scientist Hannah Ritchie. She has studied the numbers and claims that behind climate and human progress, she's clear the world has never even been sustainable. So, could we be the first generation to truly change that? That's her perspective. We have the tools, we have the innovation, but we have to use them. Ritchie defines problems and progress. So many still, some of the problems, let's define them. Many of the children still suffer and die every year from preventable causes. Many live on less than $2 a day. We've done some real harm to our environment. The world is far from perfect. People are suffering. But that doesn't change the fact that we've had incredible progress. Progress like clean energy, solar energy, once expensive and rare. Now its prices are falling. We have electric cars and forests are growing. The progress, it is undeniable. So now, from a fashion perspective, let's take this world of the wake-up call from Anthropocene and Ritchie's thoughts of progress, and let's explore fashion as a solution, not a problem. Let's look at some ingredients. Let's first look at zippers. YKK at the Sustainable Fashion Summit talked about when a zipper doesn't work, people just stop wearing the garment. But with their innovative zippers and repairability, they can offer complete circularity, full repair, reuse, and durability. By the way, they make 10 billion zippers a year. Chanel, in the last few days, announced that they're launching what they call NeVold, cute play on words, never old, recycling a platform for recycled scraps and unsold clothing into new materials for luxury. Is this the sign of Chanel and luxury acknowledging that the sector has contributed to waste? Could this reshape luxury of the future? Lastly, let's take a look at farm to fiber LYCRA. LYCRA is working with farmers to grow corn that is going to be converted into fiber for clothing. They call it QIRA, and it supports cleaner production and farmer livelihood. This partnership links fashion innovation directly with healthy soil, water, and biodiversity. I think that can make a tremendous impact farm to fiber and what we're wearing. So my feelings between hope and progress, are we the bridge? Echoing in my mind are Hannah Ritchie's final words in her TED Talk. We inherited a world that's made huge amounts of progress, and now it's our responsibility to protect it and pass it on. Check. I completely agree. This resonates really deeply with me. I'm somebody with Israeli roots and only a few miles of the Los Angeles ice rates. It is all unfolding in front of my eyes while I'm raising two children in a world that feels chaotic and hopeful. I should also mention I watched the fires happen in Los Angeles, chaotic and hopeful. I see problems, progress, and repeat. And yet, I believe in the good. I hope you join me. Believe in data, believe in innovation, and ultimately, it is our human ability to always rise. Thank you so much. I'm Daniela Platt. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye. And here are my citations. Thank you so much for your time.